No. Ethan is sailing in the boat, in the paddle boat, in the country and the Lion Country Safari. Okay, let's go back now. How do you go back? You spin backwards.
It's like a fountain!
I know. We're going backwards. Good job, Ethan. Alright, keep going now. Let's go to that corner. Let's see the turtle in the corner, Ethan.
Where that?
I think there is a turtle in this corner. Let's see where it is.
You are the captain!
Who is the captain? Ethan is the captain. Right? In the country Lion Safari. Let's go. I think there is a ducky there, Ethan. Let's go see the ducky.
Where's the turtle?
Maybe we're going to see
Lily
a turtle.
pads.
It's lily pads, Ethan. Oh, brake slowly.
Turtles.
Turtle, where are you? Call them, Ethan. Shh, no. Call them.
Turtle.
Ethan, do you think they have alligators in this lake?
No.
Stop, slowly. Easy boy.